Happy holidays! This is my absolute favorite time of year. So every single year around this time, in between October and before ski season starts, Oliver and I have our own little tradition where we fly up to Park City, Utah, and we have maybe a 3 or 4 night, just little mini staycation where we can just kind of spend time together and hang out. If you have never been to Park City, Utah, I highly recommend it. It's an old little silver mining town, and like I said, we don't ski, so this is the perfect time to go because it's almost like you have the whole little city to yourself. We stay at the Montage, which is beautiful. It's what I call relaxed affluence. It's warm, it's friendly, but the service is impeccable, the staff is amazing, and the accommodations are gorgeous. Park City has a ton of world-renowned little restaurants and eateries. We usually fly into town super early, so our flight leaves at 6:15 in the morning. It's a 2-hour flight from where we are in San Diego. We just rent a big, huge SUV, and we drive ourselves the beautiful, scenic 45-minute route. We stop off in town first, and we always have breakfast at this little place called Harvest. It looks like it used to be somebody's old home that they just refigured into a little cozy restaurant, and they've got like acai bowls and handmade granola, warm oats, very farm to table, fresh, healthy, warm, cozy, and delicious. Everything that you want when it's snowing. Normally, I am an overpacker. So this year I had my personal stylist, I know you've met her, Vanessa Valiente, help me plan. And she was so instrumental in helping me to streamline where I know I'm gonna look cute, because we all wanna look cute when we're on vacation, but I don't have to pack half as much. And I wanted to share it with you. It's why I do what I do. If you see anything in the video that you're like, oh my God, I love that, I have to have it, I'm going to put all of the links for all of the outfits down below. But my thought is that you can use her professional style advice as a template for your own closet. For example, if she puts me in like a chunky oversized sweater, boyfriend jeans, and a pair of boots, I'll bet you could go into your closet and find a lot of the same things. I just wanted to share it with you, so let's get started. Let me show you how Vanessa packs me. Okay guys, we're back. We're going to be there for 3 nights. She packed me for a day outfit and an evening outfit and 2 travel outfits. When I travel, and I know I'm not alone in this, I want to look cute, but I want to be really comfortable. That's a must. And I know you must be the same way. So here's what she did. For the plane ride, and I know you've seen me in this before, so she put me in this Millie cardigan sweater, which I really like because you never know if you're going to be hot or cold on the plane. Sometimes it's hot, sometimes it's cold. So this really almost doubles as a blanket. The red relaxed jeans that are distressed, and these Rachel Zoe boots, and this Alaya bag. Now again, you can take the general concept and apply it to your closet. The template is a long oversized cardigan, relaxed, almost boyfriend style jeans. You want a little bit of a heeled boot to go with it so that it gives you that length. And then she just paired it with this Aliyah bag. All of these particular items are in the video description down below, except for the Aliyah bag, which I bought a number of years ago, but I did find another bag by Aliyah that looks very similar to that. I didn't need anything for the evening because normally when we get to the Montage, we just do a spa day and usually have dinner in the room and just relax. Let's see what she packed for day 2. Okay, so for day 2, and you'll notice in everything, we reuse the same bag and shoes with every single outfit, so it's much easier. And we also use the same coat with everything because again, it's streamlined and it's packing efficiently, but it still looks amazing and takes on a different look because of what she's putting with it. So on the second day, she has me in this oversized chunky knit deep purple sweater by Vince, blank by NYC, faux leather pants, and then again, just the cognac boots and tote. A really easy, simple look. For the coat, she has me in this mohair. It's a Jill Sander mohair coat. It is no longer available, but I do have a few options for you in the links below the video if you like the color and you like the cognac. Now, cognac is a huge it color this season, but more than that, it's just a great neutral. I love a good neutral because they go with everything, and how amazing is this color? I love it. Okay, and for the evening, and again, Park City it's not fussy, you're not wearing your jewels, but you still wanna look chic. So she has me in this ruched jersey Enza Costa top in cognac, and this is what it looks like. I really love this because it's soft, it's comfortable, it's stretchy, it's got a nice ruching, which kind of gives it a little more of a nice visual detail. You can see that it's kind of fitted. I bought it in my regular size, so it runs very true to size, but it has a lot of stretch, so it's kind of forgiving. And this is a great color. It also came in like a dark chocolate espresso brown, which I have on order because I love the top so much. These high-waisted sailor pant jeans, then just the same bag and boot and coat. So again, she's reusing, and these are soft, comfortable, but chic pieces that she put together, and that is my day 2. She has me in my Zezika sweater dress. Now you guys, you'll notice that a lot of what I do is a lot of high-low dressing. So I will take and have no problem buying inexpensive pieces that I think are really nice quality and I love them, and then I just mix them with higher end pieces. For me, I love great designer bags, great designer shoes. I'll also invest in high-end outerwear. So the Jill Sander mohair jacket that I bought was pricey, but I've also worn it for years and years and years. This I got on Amazon, and I know I featured it in another video. It's under $50, depending on your size. You know how Amazon is, but I just thought it was really cute. It's comfortable. Now, I will be wearing tights with this. She has that on order. Open cardigan, and again, the same boot and bag. I can also take the Theory cardigan off and wear my Jill Sander mohair jacket with this. For the evening, and again, reusing all of the pieces, she has me in the same sailor pant that I wore the other day. And then I just put over this, and again, this is my Amazon buy. I know you've seen me feature this, like $40. This is actually a knit maxi cardigan dress that we just unbuttoned about up to the waist and wore it almost as a buttoned duster. Same bag and boot, and I would also wear my same Jill Sander mohair jacket with it. Very comfortable, very cute, and warm. Now, Park City's not gonna be super, super cold in case you were wondering, and I also tend to run a little hot, so this is going to be fine for me. Finally, for the next day, which is our plane ride home, I'm wearing the same jeans that I wore on the plane ride there. I'm carrying the same bag, the same shoes, and all we did is swap out the sweater for this oversized pink fuzzy joie sweater. You might be wondering, okay, if you're petite, can you really wear an oversized sweater and relaxed jeans? Yes, I am only 5'2", and the reason is because we put it with a higher heel, so it gives me a little more length and a little more streamlining. I'm carrying the same Aaliyah bag, and again, this one isn't available. I looked and looked and looked for you guys. I did find one very similar so that you have an option. And you guys, you'll also notice a lot of times when I'm featuring an expensive bag and shoes, I will also put a bag and shoe combination that looks very, very similar at more of a mid-range price, because I know that not everybody likes to spend money on bags and shoes. Everybody has their thing, and that's what I like to do. But I wanted to give you different options for that. Okay, you guys, I hope that you found that helpful. I really wanted to just share, and if you're going on a vacation this year, maybe you can take a look back and find some good ideas for inspiration. If you have any future content requests, something that you'd like me to cover, please just let me know down below in the comments. And for all things wellness, fitness, style, and healthy living, subscribe to my channel, visit me on the blog, AnnieParkerConfidential.com, and I'll see you on the blog. Happy holidays.